Today we have the 2018 Land Rover Discovery. This vehicle was done just under 80,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we go into the back of the vehicle, you can see that we have our 2 rear screens, panoramic roof, as well as 7 seats in total, which are all black leather. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control, and on the right we have cruise control. On our screen we can access our vehicle dimensions, our deployable tow bar, Apple and Android CarPlay, eco data, and in-control apps. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 camera with parking sensors. Just below we have our dual zone climate control, as well as our different driving modes to choose from.